Alright, so we gonna hop in with our top-down analysis. Yes, sir. All-time high. Respecting bullish price action. Holy shit, I'm way too down. So let me see, sehen. Und der. 15 Minuten. Holy quick. Perfect setup. 15 Minuten. Zack. Just aiming for a 1-to-1 today. I don't need anything else. Looking way too sexy again. Now look at 15 minutes. Now I do want to come down and sweep this low. At least on one of these indexes. So let me for our lagging kind of behind. Do we have the survey gap here down too? I don't need too much noise on this one. Let me just so zack equal lows down here. Perfect. You know what I'm saying? One of them I would like it to be NQ. So let's say, so I don't get any drawdown. Calm down, fill. So whichever index comes down in golden ratio first is the one I am hoping for a liquidity sweep. And the other index, y'all know the setup, hoping for an SMT. So my perfect setup is ES coming down, tapping into this fairway gap, sweeping this low, and Q only coming down till here, and then get the breaker structure here, well, the inversion, so I can go long. I just aim for a 1-to-1. I don't want to overextend anything today, just so you'll know.
Hier will ich Shisha rauchen, aber kriegst solche Briefe an meiner Kunde. Ich meine, was geht? Ja, das ist schon das erklären, also das ist
I mean, so of course NQ can come down. Wow. So we even have this 5-minute on the ES. God damn. So ES is my Where the fuck? So no. Well, so hella bullish.
Na klar.
Aber wie schön. Wo bist du? Komm mal, ich will dir mein Setup zeigen.
Warte, ich bin gerade noch kurz anmachen. Ich komme gleich. Jo,
Ciao.
ciao.
Fuck you, fuck you. Okay. Look at the setup! I'm getting goosebumps. It's looking way too fresh, you know what I'm saying? Way too fresh. Oh, the 15-minute too. Damn. 15-minute looking way too sexy. 15-minute way too sexy. Way too fire. Alright. So, market opens in about 70 seconds. Kinda cold out here. So I think everyone should know the setup. Let me see the 15-minute. What is the 5 minutes? Oh, let me just, you know what I'm saying? This is the 15-minute. This is the, what the fuck is that? The 1 hour? Yes. As we all know, context is the most important thing in trading. Without context, you ain't shit. You ain't shit. So ES looking fine. I would be willing to take the long on ES. Alright, market open. Swept this low. Those are too far away. No, you see, yes, straight up going higher. Now the could take the inversion right here, but I want ES to come down if I'll need that. So just close like that. Take profit gonna be up here. Stop loss just going to have a whole lot of room for my stop loss. I just want the 1-to-1. So ES looking better for me though. I like ES way better. So if we inverse, if we close inside of this range on ES, break above, nah, looking good, looking good. I probably, come on, I mean, we have this SMT. I'd like if we just stay that way, you know what I'm saying? Now I think ES took the low. Did we? Did we? Okay, now we took the low. Take profit up here. Aiming for a 1-to-1, you know. Yes! Shut your bitch ass up. Yes, this is mine, so I can delete that. 1.1 would be fine here. Ewa! Ich bin V. Ich bin gleich drinne.
Schon, wir haben gar nichts gesweept.
Wie? Wir haben nichts gesweept. Bist du am Trippen?
Ah, du meinst das Low.
Das ist 1 Stunden-Low. Okay, ich brauche eine 2 Minuten Inversion. Naja, noch nicht, aber wenn die halt respektieren, sagen wir mal. 3 Minuten haben wir hier nix. 2 Minuten haben wir auch nix. 1 Minuten haben wir auch nix. Also IS sieht bis jetzt noch besser aus. Okay, 2 Minuten haben wir die 2 Minuten Verwege. Nein, haben wir nicht. Take Profit hier. Stark in die 1 Stunden gekommen und kriegen eine Rejection auf IS. 2 Minuten.
Was hast du für Rejection invalidiert?
Die 2 Minuten hier. Die NQ looking fine.
Du bist auf NQ, aber.
Ich bin auf IS.
Achso, nein.
IS sieht momentan besser aus, finde ich. 3 Minuten. Irgendwas. Haben wir hier was? Nee, die da oben haben wir. Aber das ist der Retrace, den ich dann nehmen würde. 2 Minuten. Okay, jetzt haben wir die 2 Minuten Verwege. Hier haben wir die Inversion. Preis kopieren. Ich drücke V. Preis kopieren. Ich drücke V. So, noch riskiere ich way too wenig. Holy crack.
Holy Karakamori. Bist du schon drin?
Nee, nee. So at the moment, I don't see no setup. I don't see no setup at all. Yes, coming back down. What the fuck is the ass doing? What the fuck is the ass doing? And Q going, fill this, coming higher. Papa. Ballerino Torino. We tap here. Oh, I can see us maybe coming down here. These stacked lows down here. Clear sweep. Can get rid of that. So have okay, yes sir. Are we able to come down here? These equal lows. 1 Minuten. Nix. 2 Minuten. Gibt's hier irgendwo was? 1 Minuten haben wir nix. 2 Minuten Fallgap haben wir hier oben. Haben wir eine 3 Minuten Fallgap haben wir. Also das wäre mein Entry. Das ist hier unten. So, jetzt haben wir noch eine starke Rejection von hier oben. Deswegen ist das für mich nix. Für mich nix. Für mich nix. So we did get an SMT of these lows too. So with NQ being the lagging index, so if I can get If I manage to get an entry on NQ, that would be fire. I don't see no entry though. Dope. So even if we for our kind of chop around at the moment. News, we don't have news today. 2 minutes, ain't shit. 4 minutes, huh? Ich weiß, ja.
Gar kein Grund heute irgendwas zu.
Ich weiß, aber ich habe also wie gesagt, wenn ich verlieren würde, habe ich die Woche trotzdem noch 3K gemacht. Deswegen, ich gucke, wenn es was gibt, gibt's und nichts. 4 Minuten haben wir hier. Ne? Ah jo. Wir haben die 4 Minuten hier. Wir haben ein SMT. Looking. I like it. SMT right there. Wait, hold on, no. Even lower time from SMT. So we do have a FA gap up here. 4 Minuten. 1 hour, that ain't shit. 1 minute, I'm sorry. Chop around crazy. Chop around like crazy. So we came down on the essence with so we can't have a 4 minute inversion. So if we push above that, that would be the entry for me. Let me see. If the 5 minute closes sooner, no. So the 4 minute inversion right here would be the one I would be willing to take. Just a 1-2-1. See the 50 minute. Yes, this equalize, so a strong take profit. This rejection looks good. I am more bullish than that, so let me. That would be the setup. Probably this would be my break-even point. 4 minute. So if the 5 minute closes like that, I have a 5 minute fair value gap. So yes, I will enter off of the 5 minute. That's how it is currently looking. Nix invalidiert. Nein! Ich bin jetzt auf den 5 Minuten. Ich bin jetzt auf den 5 Minuten. Ja, ich weiß. Ich bin auf den 5 Minuten.
Du bist immer noch auf ES. Guck mal bitte kurz auf NQ. Geh mal bitte auf 4 Minuten.
Die da?
Die oben, guck mal, die hier.
Ich sehe es.
Nee, da ist noch eine kleine darüber. Die da.
Ja?
Kannst du mal einzeichnen. Die ist bei mir so knapp, da bin ich mir ein bisschen unsicher. Guck mal.
Nee, haben wir nicht.
Ja, okay, gut. Bei mir ist es nämlich ganz bisschen drüber. Der kleine Wash.
So, FK, aber 5 Minuten. Naja. So, if we come down somehow and get a bearish candle, so a bearish value gap, and we inverse this one, I would just go off of this one. So if a 1 minute hour, 1 minute fair value gap forms on the way to this take profit, I would take that. Otherwise, I would wait for this to get taken out, wait for the retrace, and inside of the retrace, I would take the long. If we inverse though, only that. But for now, we chillin'. So, are we going to take that high? That would be significant. You can see us rejecting kind of off of here. Okay, 5 minutes. Seems like we are about to invalidate this 5 minute. Two setups here. We either sweep the high and get the inversion here. I will take the trade and it will walk straight into stop loss, or take profit. There is no in between, kind of like range, because we have an SMT. If we take the high, I told you, I can see us reversing off of here. That would be the perfect setup for me though, to enter. If we come down here, creating a bearish value gap. So for now on, let me see 5 minutes. If we don't inverse that, I am not going to take on ES. And Q's the way to go for me then. Now, this is exactly what I was talking about. This is exactly what I was talking about. Field equilibrium, we may come down. It's something I would prefer to see though. Close like that. Oh hell nah, close like that. 75 minutes. Nope. We can see us kind of rejecting off of here, even though I don't think it's a rejection, it's just a retracement on the lower time frame. But this ain't. Oh, you see, you see, you see. Now we came into exactly. Jona, ich bin gleich long auf 1 Minuten NQ. Ja, schau an. Komm rüber, dann zeige ich dir. Jetzt komm halt mal her. 4 Minuten haben wir da inversed. Wir sind haben gerade umgedreht.
Wir haben ja nicht die fucking 4 Minuten.
Wir haben die 4 Minuten. Ich sagte doch immer, die ist Inversion und die ist nur das Ding zum Umdrehen mäßig. Die Signal. Ich sagte, das passiert. Ja, du musst nicht. Aber also, wenn wir jetzt hier diese Inversion hier kriegen, wir sind im Golden Ratio, dann, oder auf den, guck mal, wobei das noch besser aussieht. Bei dir noch besser aussieht. Wenn ich hier.
Nee.
Guck mal die Rejection. You see that? Haben sie die Lows hier gesweept, die weep. Wäre jetzt noch drüber geschließt am besten. That would be a straight take profit trade. That would be a straight take profit trade. You know, I don't fuck with ES. I want this to go fast or nothing. So we have to inverse this one though. Let's see, maybe we have a 2 minute. Now if we close like that, I would have to see a 2 minute inversion. Now if we don't close like that, okay, there is volume going up, going higher. 1 minute's too slow though. I won't take this trade. Only on the 2 minute now. You see, is there still a fair value gap? It's tiny bit, you know what I'm saying? Tiny bit. Tiny butt plug. So we have it though. There is still a. If this one's valid, I don't know. Oh no, to be honest, I don't know. But that would be the setup. Let's see. ES rejecting that. No fair value gap on ES. So if we. I like that. I kind of like ES more. But the take profit is way too close. So this is what I'm going to do. Yes, sir. Waiting for the 1 minute inversion here. Stop loss has to be there. Hell no. Way too high. Okay, now this ain't gonna work. Gotta see what look better, you know what I'm saying? Gotta see what's just looking better. I feel like we kinda want to take this low again. So this isn't valid for me. Is it? I don't know. I wouldn't say so. I wouldn't say so. I'm not in this trade. 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, there ain't shit. So currently looking quite bearish. So we have a 5 minute failure gap though. Right there. Kind of be an valid setup. If we push higher, exactly, exactly. Nope. Running probably towards my. So we have a 2 minute here. Is this the 2 minute I marked out? Yes. So I have to wait for this one. Two-minute rejecting like crazy. So I see the potential of going higher, but I can't. Way too late in this trade. So a 1-to-1 is a must for me. We broke above this 2 minute. I don't give a fuck if you love me. I don't give a fuck if you like me. See the 1 minute. So we have the 5 minute fair gap there. I don't talk about that. Alright. I mean, kinda deserve that shit, you know what I'm saying? Straight stop loss, I told you. Either way. Alright. This one's gone. So hat er mit mir gemacht. Ja, mit mir auch. Welche hast du inversed? Die 2 Minuten? 1 Minuten? Okay, egal.